Messenger Engagement Plugin on the Flow Builder. To make your chatbot connect well to your website, we have several methods. In this post, we will be going through the Messenger Engagement element and creating a new Messenger Engagement Chatbot plugin ready for you to use. Checkbox Plugin. First, head over to the left-hand side of your chatammo window and click on the Bot Manager section. Now from the drop-down, select the page you would like to use. Now select Bot Flow Builder and then click on Create New Flow. The Flow Builder editor will appear with all the components gathered together at the left sidebar and the Start Bot Flow component on the editor. Double-click on the Start Bot Flow, and a new right-hand side toolbar will appear. Now give a title for the campaign in the title fields. The field is required. You can also choose a label and sequence for the campaign. But these two fields are optional. Click on the OK button. Now the component is filled with title, label, and sequence name. Drag and drop action button. Now drag the action button component from the left sidebar and drop it on the editor. After that, you have to connect the action button component with the Start Bot Flow component. Now double-click on the action button component, and instantly a right sidebar called Configure Action Button with Action Button field will appear. Now click on the Action Button field and a drop-down menu of different options will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the Messenger Engagement Plugin option. Instantly, the Messenger Engagement Plugin field will appear. Now click on the field and a drop-down menu of 4 options Checkbox Plugin, Send to Messenger, Me Link, Customer Chat Plugin will appear. Checkbox Plugin. To set a checkbox on your website, first, select the Checkbox Plugin, and some fields will appear. The first box is the domain field where you can add the domain of the website you want the checkbox plugin to appear. Hover over your mouse cursor on the tooltip next to the domain field to see the instruction. From the language field, you can select your language. Just click on the language field, and a drop-down menu of different fields will appear. Now select your language from the drop-down menu. You can also select a plugin skin from light or dark. Hover over the tooltip of the plugin skin field, you will see the suggestion on which plugin skin you should select for your website based on the background color of your website. You can also make the plugin center aligned by selecting Yes. On the other hand, if you select No, the plugin will be centered left. You can also select the plugin size from small, medium, large, and extra large. Now, you can select or not select redirect to a web page on successful opt-in. If you do not select the option, you will see a field called Opt-in Success Message on the website. There is a default message in the field. If you do not select the option, when a user clicks on the checkbox plugin, the message will appear on the website. You can, of course, add a button in the success message. To add a button to the success message, select I want to add a button option. And instantly, some field related to the button will appear. In the button text, there is a default text. You can edit the text. In the button URL, you can give a URL. And when a user clicks on the button, the user will be redirected to the web page. You can also define the background color of the button from the button background field. You can set the background color by putting the hex color code of the color in the field. Also, you can set the background color from the color picker. Click on the square at the last of the field, and instantly a color picker will appear. Now select your desired color from the color picker. Likewise, you can set the button text color, button hovers background, and button text hovers color. On the other hand, if you select to redirect to a web page on successful opt-in, an opt-in success redirect URL field will appear with an auto-generated link in the field. This is the link to Facebook Messenger. That is, if a user checks the checkbox on your website, the user will be redirected to the messenger. Also, you can put any link. In this case, when a user checks the checkbox on your website, the user will be redirected to the web page. You can give a checkbox validation error message. And this message will be displayed if the checkbox is not checked. Also, you can put a unique reference to track the plugin later in the reference field. You can also select a label in the Select Label field. The subscribers obtained from the plugin will be enrolled in the plugin you select. You must select a page to fill this list with data. Now click on the OK button. And you will see the Action Button component with all the information you provide. Likewise, you can set Send to Messenger, Me Link and Customer Chat plugin. After you have configured the checkbox plugin. Messenger Engagement. Now, click on the Messenger Bot option at the left sidebar of the dashboard. Instantly, a page called Messenger Bot will appear. On the page, you will see an option called Messenger Engagement. A fresh page will appear giving you more options of ways into your chatbot. A shortcut to the above way can be applied to both the Checkbox plugin and also the Send to Messenger plugin. By clicking on the Flow Builder, your Flow Builder will open like before, ready for you to add your opt-in options. Me link. An often used option is the Me link, and this can be used wherever you would place a link that you want people to go straight to Messenger from. When you click the Flow Builder page, you will be faced with the same Flow Builder interface and can follow the instructions the same as above. Customer Chat plugin. The final option is the Customer Chat plugin, which is the small pop-up you can often see in the right-hand bottom corner of many websites. Again, once the Flow Builder is clicked, you will be taken into the Flow Builder and can build your plugin the way you would like it. Setting up the links. Now we have gone through how to create these routes, let's dive into setting up the links so that you can get all of these access areas into your chatbot. Checkbox plugin. List of the checkbox configuration. To set the checkbox plugin on the website, you have to copy the JS embedded code and paste the code onto the HTML file of your website. Now click on the JS code option and instantly, a pop-up modal will appear with the embedded JS code. Now copy the JS code and paste the code into the HTML file of your website. Both the Checkbox plugin, Send to Messenger, and Me link can be added in the same way. Your customer chat widget is very similar, but rather than the code being embedded to your HTML, it has instructions on how to install. Copy the code below and paste it inside the body tag or at the very last of your web page.